So we're still in our book on chapter 12, and this is the Astrocrash Python program found within the book. And admittedly, it's starting to look pretty cool already. So what we have here is basically just of the credentials that I have asked the students to put in. The import random and the live wires import games is the same as we've been seeing before in our prior pizza game. The game's initialization of the width, height, and the frames per second is what we see over here with the width and the height and the frames per second. The class is the asteroid, and notice that they have identified small, medium, or large. These are going to be our constants within the program itself. This way we can always determine specifically if we want a small asteroid, a medium asteroid, or a large asteroid. And then we also have those here as well as being identified in relation to the actual picture that's provided to us with the book as well. As we move on, we also are given the speed in which the asteroids will be traveling as a default. And then we have also the sprite for the asteroids. And what it's basically doing here is giving them a random choice of initiating them, creating them on the screen for us. For the size is what I'm referring to. And then we also have our wraparound screen. If you remember in the pizza program, we were able to give it the option of bouncing or going off the screen. Now in the pizza program, we wanted to keep it on the screen because we wanted the pizza sprites to bounce up and down as it hit. But here we also see that it's almost like looking through a window and the asteroids are going off the screen. And that's what this is here doing for us. The background itself is the picture of the nebula. That's the picture that you see here that's non-moving. We could change that easily as we put up another picture of here and put it in our image load. Now it says here is create asteroids. It gives us a range of 8. We can easily change that number to create more or less asteroids within the screen. And then we have our random generator as far as the number of asteroids. The number of asteroids being small, medium, or large out of the quantity of 8. And then our main loop is which was just kind of recirculating it, and that's it. But I wanted to at least walk you through the code that you see here within this week's Python program.